Children, let us do one more sum from the chapter surface area and volume. In this question, we have a village having a population of 4,000 requires 150 liters of water per head per day. It has a tank measuring 20 meter into 15 meter into 6 meter. Now, for how many days will the water of this tank last? Children, population of the village is given, water consumption per head per day is given, and dimension of the tank available in the village is also given. Now we have to find for how many days water in the tank will be sufficient for the people. So let us start with the solution. Given length of the tank, we assume length to be with L. It is 20 meter. Breadth of the tank B 15 meter, and height of the tank H is equal to 6 meter. Now, number of people is equal to 4,000. Quantity of water required by one person per day is equal to 150 liters. Now total quantity of water required in the village per day, this is equal to 4,000 into 150 liter, and 15 fours are 60, and 1, 2, 3 and 4 zeros. This is 6 lakh liter of water. Now volume of the tank we need to find, or capacity of the tank. It is better if we write capacity of the tank. Of the tank, that is equal to volume of the tank. It is L into B into H. Now we substitute a value of L, B and H. 20 into 15 into 6 cubic meter. We need to multiply this. 20 into 15 will become 30. 300 into 6 cubic meter, and 6 threes are 18. So 1800 cubic meter is the capacity of the tank. Now children, water required is in liters and this capacity of the tank is in cubic meter. So we need to convert it into liters, and we know that 1 cubic meter is equal to 1000 liter. So this will be 18 lakh liter. Let number of days water will last be D. So this is the water consumed in one day. Number of day is D. So 6 lakh into D is equal to 18 lakh. This implies that D is equal to 18 lakh upon 6 lakh. This implies that D is equal to 18 divided by 6, it is 3. Thus, water in the tank will last for 3 days.